Port Arthur, Texas area, a lot of refineries in that area, but a major refinery we do a lot of business with. They have 4 coke drums in that facility, right? Coke drums, a lot of heat cycles, they crack a good bit. So they're always chasing these weld repairs and these cracks. And typically they come in, it's a slow setup, pinning heaters on, it takes shifts. When those things are down, it costs them a lot of money. So we understand how to make get them back up and running as our focus. So with the MagneMats, we are able to come in there and set up these preheats way faster, get them back going, chase them around, move the magnets very quickly, and they're able to weld faster, to the point of the client came back to us and said, look guys, we've been doing this for decades. What did y'all do to make this so much faster, and the cost effectiveness of it, right? So when we can come in and give them time and shifts back, if I can set up a coke drum in a single shift and it takes my competition 2.5 shifts, that's huge. If we were able to go in there, save them time, get them back on track, get the job done faster. So when we're heating, they're also paying the welding support team. They got other equipment on rent. There's a bunch of variables that go into that daily cost, right? So if we can cut a day or two out of the overall job, it's not just what we cost them, but the whole job costs them, right? And that's our goal, long-term partnerships that they keep calling us back.